Nikea here. It has been a long time, especially for me. I have not posted a video on my channel since December 2022, and today is May 23rd, 2023. So the last thing you saw from me was a vlog. I did Vlogmas. And I didn't even finish it because I was supposed to show y'all what we did in DC, and I recorded videos and captured images, but I never posted it. And honestly, I just had a lack of inspiration. So I'm sitting here getting ready for a virtual event, and I was like, you know what, let me get on here, talk to my audience, talk to the people, let them know what's going on with me, and let them know like the direction of my channel moving forward. So that's what I'm here to do. And I'm just sitting down, doing my makeup, like I said, for an event. And I figured this would be a good time to talk to you all before, you know, I have to go. I'm actually finishing my makeup. It's already done. But after Vlogmas, I just was not feeling inspired to do any content. So I, you know, edit videos for other people and edit content for other people, and I just was not feeling inspired. I wasn't feeling creative. I just wasn't feeling it. And I know I wanted to stay on YouTube, but everybody knows that short form content has been the wave. And I just wasn't really into editing short form content. It was kind of hard for me. Now I've gotten the hang of it, but I was like, that's not where I want to go. And I really just let my YouTube slack off. I kept saying, oh, I'm going to edit, and I'm going to post, and I never did. But I knew I didn't want to just let my YouTube channel die because I put a lot of work into it. It had been growing consistently, and I'm kind of stuck, a little shy of 3,500 subscribers. Thank you to all the people who are subscribed. Thank you to all the people who still watch. I still get a little bit of check from Google, from AdSense based on y'all's views, so I appreciate that. But I was just feeling stagnant, and I just kept saying, okay, I'm going to edit this week. I'm going to post this week. And I just wasn't feeling it. So I did not. I think I've done TikToks and I've done Reels recently, and I think I've edited one video for somebody else, but I just wasn't feeling inspired. But literally yesterday, I was in this virtual space with a group that I'm a part of, and I was just talking about my goals and what I want to do, and you know, future plans and what I'm good at and my skill set. And so I was like, hey, I got something for you. And then somebody else was like, hey, you got what I need. And prepping for other people and trying to do stuff for other people like really inspired me to want to do for myself. So I'm like, let me get back into it. But I have already honestly been planning where I want my channel to go and my content to shift to. And this last night was really just the motivator, like to kickstart. So literally I'm not gonna say it. Once I finish what I have to do tonight, I'm gonna edit this video and post it. This is just going to be quick, raw, and real. You feel me? So my ideas for my channel is going to change. So I've noticed that now on YouTube, content like hair videos and makeup for me just doesn't do well. And then for me, for vlogs, you all don't really know me, I guess, or care about me enough to watch my vlogs because my views are like really low. So my goal is to always do content that I enjoy. So I was enjoying the vlogs, but they became cumbersome. So like, I'm like, a vlog every weekend? No. So I'm not gonna be doing vlogs anymore. I'm not gonna be doing as much hair and makeup content. I'll still be doing lifestyle because I feel like hair and makeup is in there, but I want to focus my content on things that I focus on right now. So that's parenting, that's teaching, and a little bit of lifestyle as well. But parenting and teaching are the top two. I've always been a little hesitant about sharing teaching content because, you know, there's students involved and, you know, HIPAA, FERPA, privacy, and all that jazz. But I feel like there are things that I can share personally about me in relation to teaching that would be enjoyable for everybody to watch. Whew. And you know, I've been doing this thing for 8 years now, so I feel like I got a little skin in the game. So I feel like with my mom parenting content and with my teacher content, there'll still be some lifestyle wrapped up in there. But I just feel like I just want to reach, you know, more audience and just do something that I'm currently focused on and enjoy. So that's where my content is going to shift. Hopefully you all will stay along on this journey. If not, thank you for coming with me so far. But that is where I'm at right now. I want to do that type of content. So you're going to see a lot more of me at work and Harper, and a lot more sit down content. So I'm going to continue to do my long form content on YouTube, but I'm also planning on doing some short form content on TikTok and Instagram. But you know, it all connects. So, but YouTube still allows you that freedom and that creativity, and you know, just to do something different and not necessarily have to be on a trend for people to watch you and or see your video. I'm trying to pack up this makeup train and clean up as I wrap up this video. So I didn't plan on this to be very long. I didn't plan on it to be anything too deep, but you know, I just wanted to tell you all what's going on. I thought about, did I want to do this, you know, or did I just want to pop out with the content? But no, I wanted to do this. So I actually already have some parenting, mom life videos already uploaded on my YouTube channel. They just haven't been live, and the videos are actually a year old. So I may have those go live first after this to talk about, you know, where I'm at in my parenting phase of life right now. So I'll probably do that first, so y'all can know what's been going on. And if you follow me on TikTok, you'll know what's going on. All my social media is Nikea JaLynn. That's where you can follow me at. I've been thinking about like going by Kia J. I thought that would be cool. I might change it, but everything has been Kia JaLynn since, or Nikea JaLynn since I've been on social media. But I think I might change my name, you know, since everything is like changing and shifting. So I want to create like a new intro, a new outro screen. I want to create a new banner, post, you know, new profile pictures and stuff. But I don't want that to keep me from doing my content. Woo. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it, and then all that stuff will come as I, you know, as I get it done. But it will happen, because I'm not being stagnant anymore. So what do y'all think about the name change? Kia J. Because my Instagram name has been the same since I started my Instagram. I've never changed it. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep it Nikea JaLynn and just start saying videos, hey, it's Kia J in my videos. I just think that sounds really cool. Or hey, it's NJ. I think that sounds really cool. But anyway, I'm excited about this new content that's coming out and the new direction that I'm going in for my channel and for myself and for you all to see what I got coming down the pipeline. I have ideas written down that I think y'all will like. You know, I also have stuff that I've like recorded this year but never posted. So, sorry, I might post that as like a preview of what's to come in relation to teacher content. But yeah, I did not want to give up on my social media and on this journey, because I do have fun doing it, but it was just getting boring, you know. And it just seems like everybody's in a place where they have to switch, pivot, or quit. And I'm pivoting now. Still doing something that I love, but a different type of content to reach a different audience. You know, I'm older now. I'll be 35 this year. Gained a lot of knowledge. and experience. So yeah, that is it. Look, I'm done ahead of, oh sorry, my friends are texting me, but I'm done ahead of time. Makeup, hair, you know. I still have locks under here, by the way. See y'all, I even recorded a 2-year lock update that I never posted. I have a video of me dyeing my locks that I never posted. I have a weekend couples getaway that I never posted. I just did not post. So yeah. So I'm going to do some more short form content and again bring you all into my life. So follow me on all my platforms, you know. Get a little TikTok, a little Instagram, a little YouTube. That's where I'm at. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. YouTube and Instagram more than TikTok. It's probably like Instagram more and then YouTube and then TikTok, but I'm trying to get back on YouTube, okay? Be more consistent. But anyways, again, if you have been following me and subscribed to me for the past, what, 6 years, I think? Since 2018? 17 or 18 is when I kind of read up, because I started in 2014 and then fell off and then came back because I had heartburn. But if you have been following me, subscribe to me. Thank you so much for continually supporting me on this journey and watching me and vibing with my videos. Continue on now watching with me, and to my new subscribers, thank you so much for being subscribed and staying subscribed, and I hope you enjoyed this new part of my journey as I shift. That's it for today, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe before you go. Bye. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded.